Yay, you selected red lipstick. For this video, I'm using YSL number 10 in the slim version. These are amazing. A little hard to use because it's a square head, but it's a beautiful color and a really beautiful finish. For liner, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Color Rich Matte in number 100. It's the perfect match. I definitely do recommend a liner for this lipstick because, as I was saying, it's a square head and it's really hard to properly get your edges. Well, there you have it. This is the look with the black wing liner and red lipstick, and if I had to choose, this is definitely my favorite look. This is my signature look and my signature orangey red lip. Now, if this was your first selection and you regret not choosing the pink lip, you can watch that over here. And if you want to start over again and watch the other looks, you can click on this video over here.